Hello everyone, I'm Peter from LoveGo. When you are carrying the oxygen therapy or using the supplement oxygen, you may use the humidifier bottle to humidify the output oxygen and make you feel more comfortable. When you fill the water, we usually recommend you fill the pure water, distilled water, or cold boiled water. But do you know why it is not recommended to fill the tap water or the mineral water? Usually, there are two reasons. The first reason is that the tap water or mineral water may contain the bacterial. It will lose the output oxygen and threat the health of the patient. The second reason is that the tap water or the mineral water contains minerals prone to scale formation and bacterial growth. It will be not good for the health of the patient. So, the tap water or the mineral water are not recommended. If you must use such water, you need to boil the water firstly and then make it cold. It is generally recommended to replace the water into the humidifier bottle every day to make it clean and hygienic. And to avoid the bacterial growth, it is recommended to clean or disinfect the humidifier bottle before changing the water. The cleaning process is the same as you cleaning other tableware or containers. Also, you can cook it in the high temperature water.